Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to get more Discord members with Discord Discovery. So let's get started. It's a very easy and straightforward process. In order to do that, go to your Discord account and simply log in. So after you log in, go to your server, and in server you can see an arrow option available right beside your server name. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, tap on server settings. Then simply scroll down and tap on the discovery. Make sure that you have your community guidelines turned on. After you tap on the discovery, you will have to meet certain criteria to get the discovery. So as you can see, I don't have met any criterias, as in most of the criterias are not met. So if you have met all the criterias, then you can simply tap on the get discovery option available there and the process will begin. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.